This last 60 years, we saw several tectonic shifts in computing where everything changed. And we're about to see that happen again. The further performance we drive up, the greater the cost decline.
Will Nvidia dominate AI? The massive graphics card manufacturer Nvidia is leading the charge in this AI revolution. Their latest artificial intelligence platform by Nvidia opens the door for a revolutionary future by enabling machines to imitate human behavior and understand natural language. Have you heard of Nvidia building virtual twins of our world? Imagine a super realistic copy of a factory, but it exists on a computer and can predict problems before they happen. That's the idea behind digital twins. Nvidia's platform, Omniverse, uses real-time data and AI to create these virtual stand-ins, letting engineers test new designs and optimize processes. Pretty cool, right? In an effort to build more productive physical facilities, Nvidia claims that over a dozen businesses are using its digital twin and Omniverse 3D technology to replicate manufacturing. The era of robotics has arrived. One day, everything that moves will be autonomous. Researchers and companies around the world are developing robots powered by physical AI. Physical AIs are models that can understand instructions and autonomously perform complex tasks in the real world. Multimodal LLMs are breakthroughs that enable robots to learn, perceive, and understand the world around them, and plan how they'll act. And from human demonstrations, robots can now learn the skills required to interact with the world using gross and fine motor skills. By analyzing the inefficiencies of physical plants, the technology paves the way for a future in which autonomous factories controlled by AI-enabled robots will be able to produce robots and other equipment more efficiently. We've entered the robotics era. In the future, everything that moves will be self-sufficient, stated Jensen Huang, CEO of Nvidia. The workflow platform integrates the creation and deployment of Nvidia Isaac AI robots, Nvidia Omniverse physically based rendering and simulation, and Nvidia Metropolis Vision AI. The 5 software components that make up Nvidia's package are intended to build virtual factories for testing and simulation. Nvidia stated that the ultimate goal is to transform warehouses and distribution centers into extremely secure and efficient environments for its human co-workers, serving as intelligent human assistants for jobs that need a high degree of precision or repetition. There have been some days when you must have thought about characters in games or chatbots that come alive with real-time conversion and expressions. Now, Nvidia is creating this magic with AI, making digital people look and act amazingly real. It's like having a Hollywood actor on your computer. This could revolutionize everything from gaming to customer service. How interesting would it be to chat with a lifelike AI friend? Nvidia announced new generative AI innovations coming soon to the platform, along with the general availability of Nvidia ACE generative AI microservices to accelerate the next wave of digital humans. The first to use ACE technologies to make the process of developing, animating, and managing lifelike artificial persons in customer service, telehealth, gaming, and entertainment more straightforward were companies in the gaming, healthcare, and customer service sectors. Before I head out to the night market, let's dive into some exciting frontiers of digital humans. Imagine a future where computers interact with us just like humans can.
Hi, my name is Sophie, and I am a digital human brand ambassador for Unique.
This is the incredible reality of digital humans. Digital humans will revolutionize industries, from customer service to advertising and gaming. The possibilities for digital humans are endless.
Using the scans you took at your current kitchen with your phone,
They will be AI interior designers, helping generate beautiful, photorealistic suggestions and sourcing the materials and furniture.
we have generated several design options for you to choose from.
Or digital healthcare workers who will check on patients, providing timely, personalized care.
I did forget to mention to the doctor that I am allergic to penicillin. Is it still okay to take the medication? The antibiotics you've been prescribed, ciprofloxacin and metronidazole, don't contain penicillin. So it's perfectly safe for you to take them. And they'll even be AI brand ambassadors, setting the next marketing and advertising trends.
Hi, I'm Ima, Japan's first virtual model. The foundation of digital humans are AI models, built on multilingual speech recognition and synthesis, and LLMs that understand and generate conversation.
我们有公布的祭祀仪式和传统舞蹈，还有对大自然的崇拜。
Industry revolutions will be fueled by digital humans, according to Nvidia CEO and creator Jensen Huang. Additionally, he stated that we are getting closer to a time of intent-driven computing, in which communicating with computers will be as natural as engaging with people. Thanks to advancements in multimodal big language models and neural graphics made possible by Nvidia ACE for our developer community. Thus far, Nvidia has offered developers the ability to work with ACE as Nvidia NIMMT microservices in data centers. Currently, Nvidia is developing ACE PC NIM microservices to be implemented on the 100 million RTX AI PCs and laptops that are currently in use. These include the first SLM from the firm, Nvidia Nemotron 3 4.5B, which was designed specifically to function on a device with accuracy and precision comparable to large language models operating on the cloud. Early access to Nemotron 3 4.5B SLM is currently available. All of you must wish for a teammate to play along with you, and now it seems like Nvidia has something similar to offer. Nvidia's G-Assist is like that teammate who whispers insider tips. G-Assist analyzes the situation and offers strategies. With G-Assist by your side, every game session could be an engaging adventure of discovery and ultimate victory. Today, we're excited to share Project G-Assist, a demo showcasing how developers can enhance games and apps with AI assistance. Many games offer vast universes and rich gameplay systems to explore, each with its own intricacies and mechanics. Depth has become the cornerstone of some of the most captivating gaming experiences. Many of us spend hours researching, scouring the internet to learn, to dig deeper, and ultimately enjoy more of what the game has to offer. This is where Project G-Assist comes in. It uses AI to make sure information is readily available whenever we need it. It works by taking in speech or a text prompt from the player, along with context from the screen, and then it feeds us into a large language model that is enhanced by the developer's game knowledge database. What's the best early game weapon, and where do I find the crafting materials for it? The best early game weapon is the spear. It provides knockback and is essential for survival. Not only does it know about the game, it can understand what's happening on the screen. Maybe you're staring at a dinosaur you're not familiar with and you want to know what it is or how to tame it. We really buzz about Nvidia's next-gen GPU, the Blackwell. While details are still under wraps, rumors point to a monster chip designed to usher in a new age of mind-blowing graphics and processing power. Imagine games that are so realistic that you could practically feel the sun in your skin, or AI that could crunch through complex data in a flash. The Blackwell could be the key that unlocks these possibilities. Do you think Nvidia will be the future of technology? Do share your views on this in the comments section. For more interesting stories and updates, subscribe to our channel. And do not forget to press the bell icon for notifications. Goodbye!